Yo, good morning, people. Happy to have you. Hope everyone is doing great. Sorry I'm a tad late. Not feeling the hottest this morning, but excited to have you guys. Um, what up? What up? Let's get the chart pulled up. Let's get rolling. Okay. Anything specific you guys are looking at this morning? SCRV. You looking for day or swing on SCRV? Never even looked at that ticker before. Apple looks good for longs. Day, nice. Okay, let's look at it in just a second. Nvidia, no. Q, no. Microsoft, no. AMD, way up, no. Apple looks like my favorite pick. IWM. Spot. Pretty trendy day yesterday across the board. Google coming into demand here. Could be a nice play. We'll see what happens. Tesla, no. Netflix, no. Meta. Cool. So definitely Apple looking good. I'll look at the rest as we open, but Apple looks really good. We get Apple I'm gonna get Apple like primed and ready to go. Should be good for TLM. All right, let's look at SERV. Is that Serve Pro? Oh no, Service. Yeah, Apple looks good. Oracle in there. Let's look at it. So we're looking for a day trade. We're obviously gapping way up. It's probably on one of your scanners, maybe. That's why. So a couple things here. This high is not strong. Okay. So this could end up being, this move higher could be a liquidity sweep. We also just had earnings. John, I'm curious. Well, actually, I'm curious, like from like everyone. I feel like every time I ask for tickers, it's like earnings are just happening or earnings are coming up. Why is that for day trading? Why does that make you want to trade that stock? Just wondering. I'm genuinely curious. It's very common when I'm, hey, what are you looking at? And it's always like earnings related. But yeah, the break here isn't like a change in trend. So this is our, well, not even this one, the high is not even strong either, but on the 15 here we are in more of an uptrend, right? So you could potentially long on a pullback here and take the chance that that low will hold, target the next high. That would be, it would turn into more of a swing. If I had to do like a day trade, I probably wouldn't touch it. Truly, kind of in between demand and supply, and yeah. So, gotcha. Okay, so as a jumper, okay, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Because of earnings, that's make that. I wonder if a lot of people are using those scan settings because like it's so common. So for Apple here, we will need. I guess we will need to take out that high. It's not even a 5-minute supply. So I would say if we took out this, I like it enough to write it out, like target up to here, target up to that high. Might need a little bit of a pullback, but I'm going to kind of ignore this 1 minute supply. Maybe risky, but that's what I'm going to do. Google, great bounce off demand. Figured it would, right? Actually, I need to go buy some. I'm actually going to buy some Google long-term port. Hopefully I'm not a little late. Yeah, I'm a tad late, but I'm going to buy like half a share. Yeah, half a share. I think that's right. Yeah. Yeah, sweet. So I got that filled. Nice. So yeah, about another half share here. My average price, and I'm down a little bit. My average price is 170. So I'm down a tad, but I like that kind of average in there. Apple, need to see them move higher. Google, I really like. Dang. I would be interested in playing if we pull back and we break that. I would be interested in playing that second leg up here. Definitely. We'll see what happens. I don't know if Apple will end up playing out or what's going to go on. Trading bot up tremendously well. Up $100 on the week. Looking great. Trading bot's actually absolutely insane. I freaking love it. Let's see what happens. Well, we don't. Apple came back up. Don't have a very good stop, unfortunately, but Apple is ripping. Apple is ripping. Microsoft off supply. What supply? Okay, let's see. 2-hour little supply here. Yeah, maybe I would say take this low out though. Yeah. Take out that low. That's not a low. So got my eyes on UBS. Okay, we can look at it here. Yeah, I don't know if we'll get it filled or what. Probably won't get. We won't be able to take this trade. More than likely, UBS. They also had earnings. Yeah, I mean, well, looks kind of choppy, dude. What are you doing? Sorry, my dog got all wrapped up in my computer cords. So yeah, we obviously gapped up. Looks really bullish after earnings. I don't know what, like, it's a very choppy stock. It looks like this is a 30-minute chart. A lot of gap ups and downs. I would say it looks more bullish, but probably need to wait for some type of pullback. But dang, Apple's going to be gone. Yeah, unfortunate. I don't know if we hit demand down here. No, he literally bounced out of thin air. Dang. Yeah, that was exactly what I wanted to happen, but market open, dump, kind of hurt. So take that off. Google, and you see some type of bounce. But PLTR, kind of the same thing, just I would say it looks bullish. I think the bot's running PLTR this week for me. Yeah, I'm in a bullish credit spread, bull put credit spread on there with 25 and 28 strikes. Yeah, so no, it's definitely it's bullish for sure. It's so like, you can't just get long. You can't get long here, right? You can't get long there because you're buying tops. You don't want to buy tops. Tesla TLM to the downside. Pretty trendy yesterday, man. You can definitely take it. I mean, but it's just pretty trendy yesterday if you get a pullback. But like none of these pullbacks are 50%. So how do we know it's not just, I guess if that did happen, it'd work. So yeah, you could probably take it truly. We do have equal highs here, like a triple top. So be careful of that kind of liquidity grab like we talked about. But we do have, let's see if that's a 5-minute pivot. We did break this 5-minute pivot. So yeah, could hold true. What do you schedule with me on Thursday at 2 next Thursday? Okay. Not terrible, man, though. Just be careful of that. Like I said, that pullback. But we cross middle line, typically a good sign. I do not hate it. I will just say that. I'm personally not taking it, but I do not hate it. Let me log out of that. Was doing something on that with a student yesterday. QQQ. What about QQQ or Hideo? What do you want me to look at here? Long-term option trade. No, I definitely think it's not a bad time to get in. The best time to get in was right here. The second best time is going to be break of this high and a pullback for confirmation. It's always a good buy. QQQ and SPY are always a good buy. For options, you have to time it. For investing, for shares, it's always a good buy. Yeah, you do want to be careful with options because the timing is crucial. I would not buy now because we haven't broken this high to confirm continuation, right? I wouldn't short because I never swing short ETFs. That's just me. I would look at, like I said, the break of that pivot high there on the 4-hour, a pullback of around 50% or so. Give yourself, I don't know, 6 months out. Play that. That's what I'd look for sure. Dude. What is the name of that chart? What chart? This little green and red? The little green and red here? Is that what you're talking about, Gregory? The green and red? Well, guess I'll wait till you answer. Then AMD ended up dumping. No, Apple was the best play, and it didn't give a good risk to reward, or it didn't give a good stop. Looking at Apple, well, okay. Confused on what you're asking, Gregory, and I'm pretty sure you're behind. Pretty sure you're lagging. If you do this, okay, if you're watching, okay, bro, stop with chewing the ball. My gosh. If you are watching this, okay, you need to go and make sure this says live. If it doesn't say live, it means you're behind. If it's not red, you're behind. You need to make sure this says live. Okay. Sweet. You still will probably be a couple seconds behind, but yeah. And then Gregory, let me know what you. No, I like it, dude. I like it. Nice little. This is QQQ. Look at NQ here. Nice little, nice little change in trend there. All right, stop under the high. Stop on that high. Nice reversal. Really good. Really good. Nice little scalp action. So yeah, Greg, what did you need? What were you asking? Is it still relevant? She unplugged my desk. Oh my gosh. Fix that later, I guess. We just gapped up so much. I don't know. Just how to get to the NASDAQ chart. Do this for me, Greg. I assume you're in the vault. Who's that? Okay. Assume you're in the vault. If you're not, join the vault. Okay. The link's in the description down below. Okay. Oh, nice. Joy, are you here today? Go to the vault. Okay. Go to classroom. Go to TradingView. Okay. This will teach you everything that you need to know on how to use TradingView, how to navigate it. What's up, Joy? Okay. Dang, this is sick. Sick setup here, man. How do you add the price markers? How do you add the price markers? Like where, like this? It's called pivot points. If it's that, I'll show you here in a second. Yeah, so trendy though. Such a trendy day yesterday. Not my type of setup. Not my setup, but if you like it, go for it. Yeah, it's a pivot. It's called the pivot points high low. Pivot points high low. You know, almost 10,000 members in here, man. It's absolutely crazy. Well, I make them. I make the videos in there. Most of them. So what do you mean a TOS how to vid? How to what? I'd be happy to share my knowledge. Oh, well, I have no idea how to do that. So it wouldn't be for me. I bet you can Google it though. I bet someone on. Dude, I'm literally wanted to pick my dog out. Ivy, what are you doing? Yeah, I don't ever use I have never used Thinkorswim charting capabilities, not once ever in my entire life. But I guarantee you, if you go to YouTube and type in how to add VWAP or how to add EMAs or how to add any other indicator to Thinkorswim charts, I guarantee you there's a video on it. And you should get good answers there. It shouldn't be a bunch of crap. I would absolutely love to make a video. I absolutely have no idea how to do it because I've never done it. I never even pulled up a Thinkorswim chart. I don't even use Thinkorswim desktop. I use the mobile version. I use the web or mobile version, and so it doesn't really even offer that type of stuff. So, that's just my suggestion. IWM could be playing out here, Matthew. I guarantee there's a video. Let's see if we can find one. How to add EMAs to Think or Swim. Dang, I'm plugging this guy. There we go. There we go. I think they're called, now that I remember, like, I think they're called studies, not indicators. I think they're called studies. Don't watch this crap, right? Don't watch this crap. Freaking EMA entry and exit strategy. Don't do that crap. Do these tutorials. This knowledge by Marcus guy seems legit. You're welcome. It's pretty trendy, but you can play right off that supply. I don't know. It's gonna be kind of hard to play, truly. Google Dumpy. What Dumpy? Everything. Yeah, I don't like anything. NQ still dumping for Gabe. It's nice. Target right there. Could be solid, bro. See if 9 o'clock news gives us anything. Other than that, I'm probably done for the day. Yeah, not much I could have done today. Tesla went for it. Did you take that? Did anyone take that? How's the price movement on MU? Price movement is good. Like options are fun. Options are good. Really nice spreads. It's a good stock to trade. RTX looks bullish today. Yeah, definitely. It's really bullish. Like, not just today, but throughout the whole since September 23. It's on a freaking tear. What is it? It's up since September October last year, it's up 70%, basically. It's insane. Nice, Mac. Nice. Yeah, it looks good. Again, it's the same thing. It's just when a stock is pumping green, you typically missed it, right? You don't want to buy it. You don't want to get it long up here, right? Um, let's look at it. No, I think you could, and the rest of the market dumping. I'm gonna stay away because of there's not really any kind of strong low there. There's some pivot lows, but definitely, um, definitely it is playable. Um, Again, Jazams, there is a video going over how I use TradingView right in here. Okay. But it's called the long. There's a long position and a short position tool, right? It helps calculate your risk to reward. Good question. So now I know, okay, if I were to enter right here with my stop there, target there, I would have a 1 to 1.11 risk reward. Nice scalp, bro. Really nice. Very nice. What you probably got in like right here, huh? About nice. Yeah, and Michael, I don't hate QQQ TLM right now. Probably want to pull back, but I just don't like how trendy it was. Like that's a what? 1.5% move yesterday. Doesn't mean we won't rotate. Like we're literally probably going to an IWM. Doesn't mean we won't. It's just that's not the strat. Is all. News in 1 minute. We'll see what happens. QQQ might pump real quick. NVIDIA is. Could have taken that and been ballsy. There must not have been any news. Oh, it all came out at 7:30 this morning. That's probably why we gapped. That's why we gapped up, huh? On like across the board. Well, Google didn't, but most stocks did. Google's down $5 today. Should have been a little bit more patient on the buy-in. It's okay. Buying more next week. No worries. A lot of big moves today. Just not able to catch any, unfortunately. Have you, Tanner? Did you take MU off supply? Yeah, nothing else really to look at here. Thing dumping, not playable. Yeah, not a lot going on today, unfortunately. Well, y'all. Well, yeah, go ahead and call it today. Again, nothing really I could have taken today. Tesla actually would have been okay. IWM was okay. Apple was really good, just not a good risk reward. A couple of people caught QQQ shorts, which is awesome. Um, yeah, everything else was just kind of blah. CPI created a gap up, which then created a dump at market open. So, um, yeah, I appreciate you guys hopping on. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Peace.